निकल भाई। निकल ही नहीं रहा है। Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saloni and I'm here with another amazing video. तो सबको पता है कि Amazon पर ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल सेल चल रहा है, सो मैंने भी कुछ स्टेशनरी और प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज की थी, सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट शेयर इट विद यू ऑल. सो या, एंड बाय द वे दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट हॉल वीडियो, सो please watch it till the very end, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel now. Let's get started. So the very first product is Aqualogica Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen with watermelon and niacinamide. So it comes with a cute pastel pink color packaging. It has SPF 50 plus and PA+++. Also it protects from UVA, UVB and give complete sun protection.
The best thing about this sunscreen is that it contains niacinamide that helps fade the appearance of dark spots, reduce blemishes and corrects uneven skin tone. Also it's sulfate and paraben free, 100% vegan and cruelty free. Now let's talk about texture. So it is lightweight gel formula
and it leaves absolutely no white cast. So the price of this sunscreen is $2.99 for 50 grams. Then we have Plum Body Lovin Orchid, not Perfume. So this comes with this type of packaging, and yes, the fragrance. This has flowery fragrance that makes you feel fresh and feminine, and yeah, it is long lasting. So this is my go-to perfume, and I got this 15 ml bottle for $238 I guess. So yes, I love it. Okay, then we have Mars Ultra Curl Long Lasting Mascara.
So this is waterproof mascara, dries quickly, smudge proof and provide length to lashes. It's make my lashes lengthy, fuller with volume. It has really good bond which evenly coats your lashes from root to tip without weighing them down,
and it gives beautiful look to my eyes. Then we have My Glam Dreamin Mini Nail Kit, and just look at these colors. These are cute pastel colors, and let me show you. Like it has 5 nail paints. So yes, the only problem with these nail paints are these colors are too light, and so you need to apply 2 to 3 coats. You can see that I have applied on my nails, and I personally love pastels. Then I ordered this white निकल भाई, निकल ही नहीं रहा है. Then I ordered this white wallpaper for white wallpaper for my desk, and yeah, it is like this. तो मैंने एक्चुअली पूरा यूज़ कर लिया है. सो मुझे अपने डेस्क के लिए एक बेसिक सटल वाइट वॉलपेपर चाहिए था. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस, एंड या, आई लव इट. सो आई गॉट दिस इन 199, and yes, I think it's totally worth it because it gives such a good look to my desk.
Then we have my most favorite product from this haul, and that is my tripod. Yes, I am so grateful for this tripod because it is really useful for making videos और इससे मेरा काम बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो गया है. So the price of this amazing tripod is $399 and it's totally worth it. So basically this is Gorilla tripod and the brand Digitech and the model number is DTR260GT. Also you got phone mount and remote with it. दिस इज़ सो लाइट वेट एंड फ्लैक्सीबल. इसके लेग्स आप इजीली रोटेट कर सकते हो और इजीली कहीं पर भी सेट करके आप इससे शूट कर सकते हो. ऑल्सो इट हैज़ नाइस ग्रिप, तो सिनेमैटिक वीडियोस भी शूट कर सकते हो और व्लॉगिंग के लिए भी ये बेस्ट है.
Okay, then I ordered this layered necklace and I don't know कैमरा में ये अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा है but it is really cool necklace and the quality of this necklace is really good. So मुझे यही डर था कि ये थोड़ा black ना हो जाए, लेकिन let's see. Then I ordered this facial razor, so it comes with pack of 3 and I think I got it in just ₹49. So मैंने पहले कभी facial razor use नहीं किया है and I just want to try it out. So I don't know कि ये quality कैसी होगी and all. So let's try. And last but not the least, I have these two cute notebooks. It's in A5 size and you got like ruled paper. You can see that these are ruled paper. It's soft bound and pretty decent notebooks and you can use it for journaling or you can even use for art journaling also because the quality of paper is really good and you got 80 pages. So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope you like this haul and this is my first haul video and let me know in the comment section you like this video or not. And yes, your suggestions are always welcome and please give your support and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed, stay positive. Bye.